Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Travis, and I'm back today with a new video. And today I'm doing a mukbang. I was on live stream earlier, and then people was like, "Hey, you should do a mukbang." So, this is my first mukbang. What's in the bag right now is roast beef, mustard cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, hot sauce, oil and vinegar, and salt and pepper. From the bodega down the block from where I live at. So we about to take that out. We do actually need a lot of napkins, so we just went ahead and got like a couple of extra napkins for this plate. So, and then we got our juice, right? Our orange juice, right? So basically, we're gonna open this. It's a little bit messy. Uh, yeah, the juices is actually spilling out. Alrighty, so all right, so like we're gonna actually gotta lick our fingers first. All right, so we're gonna actually show you guys how it actually looks. So this is how it actually looks. My roast beef. I'm gonna actually put it a little bit closer. That's how it actually looks. My sandwich from the bodega. I didn't cook today, so we're gonna actually dig into this and see how it is. We're gonna actually dig into this because okay, so we're gonna actually bite into this because of the fact I am hungry. It's my first meal of the day, so we're gonna take a little bite out of it. Pretty good. It's actually it's actually good with tomatoes. I never thought about getting this with tomatoes. Tastes better with tomatoes. And you had the police sirens outside. That's New York City for y'all. You always hear sirens. It's either police sirens, ambulance sirens, or fire department. See? It's pretty good. Messy, but good. That's why we got a lot of napkins, so we keep on wiping our mouths. So, at first, I'm gonna be honest. At first, I was nervous about, eating from the camera. Yes, I actually talk in front of the camera and, tell you guys about, my health, how it's that doing in front of the camera. So, to eat in front of the camera is something new to me because I never thought about like doing a mukbang, but it's pretty cool. I'm pretty much relaxed. Talking to everybody out there. I was like I was saying, I was live streaming earlier, and people had suggested in my live stream that I do a mukbang. So I'm doing one, and it's pretty cool. I just didn't feel comfortable like eating in front of the camera, but it's not that bad. Not that bad. Eating some good food. Talking to you guys. Just got off of work. So, you know, once you get off of work, you hungry. So you hungry and you tired too. But I'm more of hungry. I'm more hungry rather than tired. This really does taste good with tomatoes. I don't usually get tomatoes because I don't like tomatoes. So basically, let me refer that. I don't like tomatoes like that. But basically, you know, I got tomatoes today and it tastes good. Like the tomatoes seem like they actually put a little bit more flavor into the sandwich. So this sandwich is so messy. So messy. This is my first mukbang. Easy day at work today. No, it wasn't that bad. It was just cold. 18 degrees this morning in New York City. Now it's about like 30 degrees, but then it's gonna go down. Hopefully tomorrow is not colder than today because it'd be too cold. You know, I don't feel like getting out of my bed. I'd be contemplating, you know, should I get out my bed? Should I not? I don't know, but that's what I'd be contemplating on. Like, you know, I'm warm in my bed. Why do I have to get up to go to work and be an adult? But, you know, we all gotta pay our bills out here. Shoot. That's how I'm able to get this sandwich, you know? By working, making a little bit of money, buy my sandwich when I don't feel like cooking. And then, you know? But this sandwich is good. You made it right today. Sometimes it's like a little bit of hit and miss, but he made it right today. I grade him on this 100%. Like in my fingers. This was one of the good sandwiches today. Maybe because I'm hungry. And that's why it tastes good. So. That's why we get a lot of napkins. Because, you know, for a messy sandwich like this, basically you need a lot of napkins. Trust me. Oh man, that sandwich hit the spot. But thanks for watching, guys. My first mukbang ever. Tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. And also, please like, comment, and also subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, thank those people that was in my live stream today. And they were suggesting that I did a mukbang. So, you know, I thought about it today. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to come home and just do it. And I just did it. You know? Alrighty. Deuces.